Tired of budgeting apps? Feeling overwhelmed by financial trackers? You're not alone. But what if you're ready to ditch PocketGuard? How do you actually delete your account and say goodbye to those pesky spending notifications? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of deactivating your PocketGuard account. Whether you're switching to a different budgeting tool or simply want to take a break from financial tracking, I'll guide you through the entire process. First things first, let's understand why you might want to deactivate your PocketGuard account. Privacy concerns. Maybe you're concerned about the amount of financial data PocketGuard collects and stores. Lack of use. Perhaps you simply aren't using the app as much as you initially hoped. Found a better alternative. You might have discovered a budgeting app that better suits your needs and preferences. Whatever your reason, it's important to deactivate your account properly to ensure your data is handled securely. Now, let's dive into the deactivation process. Open the PocketGuard app. Start by opening the PocketGuard app on your mobile device. Access Account Settings. Look for the Settings or Account tab. This is usually located in the app's main menu or Profile section. Find the deactivation option. Carefully review the settings within the Account section. You might find an option labeled Deactivate Account, Delete Account, or something similar. Confirm deactivation. The app will likely prompt you to confirm your deactivation request. Read the confirmation message carefully and ensure you understand the implications. Follow on-screen instructions. Follow any further instructions provided by the app. This may involve entering your password or providing additional confirmation steps. Important notes. Data removal. Once you deactivate your account, PocketGuard may delete your data according to their privacy policy. Data recovery. Once your account is deactivated, it may not be possible to recover your data. Contact support. If you encounter any issues during the deactivation process, reach out to PocketGuard's customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully deactivate your PocketGuard account and regain control over your financial data. Remember to always review the app's terms of service and privacy policy before taking any action. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.